Welcome everyone to 2012 and Happy New Year. I hope you had a busy and profitable holiday season at your restaurant this year and you had a chance to take some time off to enjoy the holidays with your family. I'm Michael Thibault, Director of New Member Services, with this month's marketing tips sponsored by Royalty Rewards, the #1 loyalty done-for-you marketing system for restaurant owners in North America. You might be wondering why I'm wearing my chef coat today. Well, let me tell you a quick little story. Back, I don't know, maybe 12, 13 years ago, when I came across someone that you might have heard of, Rory Fatt. And I had my restaurant Waves, which is actually here in St. Clair Shores, a few miles down from my office where I'm at right now filming this video. I was in my restaurant and I was working in my restaurant, cooking on the line every night to try and save a few bucks on labor cost. And after getting Rory's marketing kit, when he prompted me after, I don't know, a couple hundred faxes and a few hundred mailing pieces, I figured out with Rory's help that I should be spending some of my time working on my restaurant, working on higher level activities, such as marketing. So I got my butt out of the kitchen and started implementing some of the marketing techniques that I learned from Rory. More and more, I removed myself from the day-to-day operations and started focusing my time and energy on $1,000 an hour activities instead of $10 ones. So for this new year, I want to focus on as many $1,000 activities working on your restaurant as you can, so let's do it together. Start off with a couple hours a week, slowly, and build from there. Now, one of those $1,000 an hour activities I want to share with you right now. It's inexpensive and easy to do. It's capturing video testimonials from happy guests of your restaurant. Have one of these small and inexpensive flip cameras. I use the Kodak ZI-8. That's actually what I'm using to tape record this video right now. Or you can get a Sony Blogger camera, or you can even use a smartphone. They're really easy to use and you can pick them up for around $100 or less. Keep them at your host stand, ready to capture a quick video from, say, a birthday party, an anniversary party in your dining room, or how about a couple that just got engaged at your restaurant. These off-the-cuff testimonials are huge for restaurant owners, and they'll get you lots of marketing mileage. You can upload them to your website, your Facebook page. You can use them even in your Google Place listing. You can turn them into a QR code and put them in your print marketing. People can scan them and see happy customers in your restaurant. Pretty powerful marketing because it's about interacting and getting involved with your guests. Remember, what other people say about your restaurant is 10 times more powerful than what you can say. So get a pocket video camera, show your staff how to use it, but I probably think they already know how to. Keep it at your host stand and start capturing video testimonials of your happy guests. This is a $1,000 activity which focuses working on your restaurant business to help it grow. And if you're not a Royalty Reward restaurant yet, what are you waiting for? Fill out the free trial offer included in this newsletter, fax it over to the Royalty Reward office, and one of the great staff will get back with you and get you started. Until next month, see how many $1,000 an hour activities you can work on. Have a great month and happy marketing.